Alrighty guys, we're a few days into this big renovation. As you can see, we've got a double brick going up here, and on this side you can't really see from there, but behind this wall is the kitchen, at least the conference center, and we are putting a double brick situation, as you can see over here through there. So yeah, we're making good progress, only a few days in, still lots to do. We're busy pricing up the cost of the furniture for the Airbnb unit, and in a few days time I'll be back to give you another update to see where we are with the renovation. See you guys soon. Still full 360. So we've made some good progress. You can see we're busy pulling cables through now. The plumbing's in. We're sorting out that ceiling in that room over there. We put this wall up yesterday. And we're getting there, guys, slowly but surely, just checking up on the progress of everything. I can see the team's doing a great job. This is where the TV is going to go up top there. We were going to put the TV over here, but we've knocked that through now. We're putting actually a nice glass door to allow the light to come from outside and shine all the way through into the bathroom. So that's going to create nice natural light. But that means that with the bed being over here, the bed's over here, aircon will either go up there or on this wall. The question is, where does the TV go? We're putting cupboards over there for the kitchen. There's going to be kitchens over here. There's going to be a workspace over here, and that's going to be the TV. So let's see how it goes, guys. Yeah, so here we are in the room number 9 at the Buzz, where we're converting the kitchen into a bedroom. We've made some good progress. The bathroom, the kitchen is going in. This is where people will be sitting, they can eat, they can do work. Obviously there's a kitchen over there. And you'll see here through the bathroom, the toilet, the basin is all going. A very small space for us to work in. We've been making it work thanks to Angelique and the team.
Behind me you'll see we've installed the mirror. We're looking at a mirror of 1.8 meters by 1.5 meters. We've also finalized all our carpentry in the kitchen and the cupboards. As you guys can see, we've got the two-tone happening.
What are you guys discussing?
Colour.
Yeah,
Colour. That is a colour, right?
We are at the end of the renovation, Ange.
Yes.
There's just a few lights to go in. We'll get the chairs in. This is the workstation we spoke about earlier on, which is awesome. The door's in. The TV needs to go in still.
We also changed the colour of the door. It was black.
Yeah, looks good.
Last screen will go in there. So I'm super excited about that. And then obviously also our shower screen.
Guys, we are almost at the end of this room. Super exciting. There's our Airbnb bed, blow up mattress. What do you guys think about that? Let me know. And we can jump on it like a jumping castle. As Mr. Gift, can I squeeze through here? There's Gift, he's fixing the lights and getting all the power ready. Let's go have a look. There we go, Gift. So let's see how this place is starting to look. You can see it starting to take shape. See Angie's got the lights in at the back. This is where the bed will be going. And if I turn around this way, what are you working on, Gift? Okay, the alarm system, taking it out, aren't you? Okay, there's the aircon that's gone in. There's the kitchen, as you can see. Nice little space to do work. We'll be getting a bar stool over there. You can see the microwaves in, little kitchenette. We need to get some blinds for the curtains. And let's go have a look at the bathroom. So we've got the glass put in here, which is nice. And yeah, we're still going to sort the cubicle shower out. There's the basin, the cupboards, and yeah, if I give you a different view here, you can see us starting to come on nicely from what it was. Bear in mind, this was the old pantry. This was the storage unit that we've now got some cupboards in, turned into a bathroom.
And yeah, we are getting there, ladies and gents. I would say a week away or two, or we're basically waiting for nice furniture to start buying and getting in. We've ordered everything. We're waiting for the Black Friday specials. And yeah, guys, as soon as it is furnished, I will be coming to you with another update.
What's happening, guys? So it's Andrew here, and I'm about to walk into room 9 here at the Buzz just to see what the latest is, because we are now at the end bar putting up the lockbox. One or two small minor things, but let's just have a look to see how it now looks. So behind me, as you can see there, we've got the kitchen unit, got the microwave, in the cupboards all the plates, the glasses. It's 2 sets of each, kettle, toaster. Here's a little, call it the kitchen breakfast room, where people can sit and they can plug their laptops in, they can eat their breakfast or whatever the case might be. And then over here is the bathroom. Let's go have a look. So there we go, there's the shower, there's the toilet. Now we're very tight on space on this one, so we have to be very clever where and how we put everything in this bathroom. And as you guys may know, the cupboard space is behind me, and there is the room, the mop, the extra blankets and all that. And then behind me here is the double bed, the bedside tables. There we go over there. So, and remember, this used to be the old industrial kitchen. The room where the bathroom is was just a small pantry room, generating 0 income. So I'm super excited for this property to go live, because it will be generating, I would say on average, between probably 9,500 to 12,000 Rand a month extra, which is purely just, I won't say it's all profit, because yes, we do have the cleaning costs and all of that, but it's definitely going to add to our monthly income over here at the Buzz. And behind me, of course, is the aircon unit and the TV, which has got the Netflix. So this is perfect for a business traveler who's just going to come along. They want to stay for a few nights, perhaps they're going to the airport. So this is ideal for someone that just wants to stay for a few nights and then leave. It's a lock up and it's a go. So I'm super excited for this unit to go live.